The double cross stitch is a very simple stitch adopted from the cross stitching. It creates a simple star shape that can be used as an easy decoration to fill an area. Start by making a cross shape. Now layer it with another cross shape over it. To help you with it, you can either draw a square shape or even imagine one while stitching. Experiment the stitch by making the arms of the second cross longer. You can also try out different ways of placing the double cross, either in a line or scattering them around in different sizes. Also, this is a great stitch to work on even weave fabric. I hope you like this super easy stitch. You can use the link in the description to join us as our patron and subscribe to our monthly quilt blog patterns where you can use this stitch. Leave us a comment and your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching.